Every large language model you use thinks one tiny token at a time. But humans don't reason word by word, we think in whole ideas. Meta's large concept models, released in late 2024, try to do the same, reason over whole sentences as single concepts. In this video, why tokens are limiting, what a concept model is, how it works, its architecture, the variance, the results, and when to reach for it. Start with the limitation. A standard LLM breaks text into thousands of tiny tokens and predicts them one by one. A long document becomes an enormous sequence, which is slow and strains attention. It also ties reasoning tightly to a single language, since tokens are language-specific. Humans don't do this. We plan at the level of ideas and sentences first, then fill in the exact words. Could a model reason that way too? That is the core idea of a large concept model. Instead of a token, its basic unit is a concept, and in Meta's paper, one concept equals one whole sentence. Each sentence is turned into a single point in a meaning space using an embedding model called SONAR. The model then reasons over these concept points directly. Crucially, this space is language and modality agnostic, so the meaning is separated from the exact words. Here is the pipeline. First, split the input into sentences. Second, encode each sentence into one concept vector using the frozen SONAR encoder. Third, the large concept model predicts the next concept vector, autoregressively, just like an LLM predicts the next token, but at the level of whole sentences. Fourth, decode each predicted concept back into text with SONAR, in whatever language you choose. Now the architecture. SONAR itself stays frozen at both ends. It encodes sentences in and decodes concepts out. Around the core transformer sit two small networks. A prenet normalizes the incoming SONAR embedding and maps it into the model's dimension. The transformer then predicts the next concept. A postnet projects that output back into SONAR space, ready to be decoded. The heavy reasoning happens entirely in concept space. So how does this compare to a normal token LLM? A token model produces one small piece at a time, giving very fluent text, but long inputs become huge sequences and reasoning is bound to one language. A concept model works over whole sentences, so sequences shrink dramatically, and because meaning is language agnostic, the same reasoning can be decoded into many languages without being redone. The paper explores several variants. Base LCM simply predicts the next sentence embedding directly, using mean-squared error regression. Diffusion-based versions, called 1 tower and 2 tower, borrow from image generation. They start from noise and denoise toward the next concept, and they scored best on summarization. LCM instead quantizes the space into discrete units, so you can sample with temperature and top P, like a normal LLM. Do the results hold up? Yes. A 7 billion parameter 2 tower diffusion model outperformed Llama 3.18b on the multilingual XLSum summarization benchmark in 0 shot. Just as important, working at the sentence level cuts the sequence length by about 2 orders of magnitude, so reasoning over very long documents becomes far cheaper than pushing every token through attention. Where does this shine? Summarization is a natural fit, since the model reasons over whole ideas rather than fragments. Its language-agnostic core is powerful for multilingual work. Reason once, then decode into any of roughly 200 languages without rerunning the model. It also enables cleaner long-form structure, and because the space is modality-agnostic, it opens a path toward mixing text and speech. In code, the concept pipeline is refreshingly modular. You use SONAR text embedding pipeline to turn sentences into concept vectors, feed those to the large concept model to generate the next concepts, then use the embedding to text pipeline to decode them, and you can pass a different target language on the way out. The heavy model in the middle never has to know which language you want. So when should you reach for it? Consider it for long documents summarization, multilingual generation, and research into reasoning above the token level. Think twice when you need exact strings code, JSON, precise names, because the SONAR bottleneck is tuned for short sentences and can blur exact wording. For everyday chat and precise text, a standard token LLM is still the safer default today. Quick recap. Standard LLMs reason token by token, tied to one language. The large concept model reasons over whole sentences as concepts, encoded and decoded by the frozen SONAR model, with a pre-net and post-net around the core. Diffusion variants work best. A 7B model beat Llama on multilingual summarization, and sequences shrink massively but exact strings remain a weak spot. That's large concept models, an early but serious attempt to make AI reason in ideas, not just words. It is still research, not a drop in LLM replacement, but it points at a very different future. Did this make large concept models click? Follow for plain English Gen AI breakdowns.